In PLANERGY, approval workflows for purchase orders have extremely flexible options and an unlimited number of approval steps. They can be defined based on the school, department, and order value. For low-value orders, you can leave flexibility based on individual user permissions to approve on their own. One user could approve up to £100, another to £200. This is ideal for covering IT purchases or emergency maintenance where time is of the essence. For more standard departments, you can automate compliance with your delegation of authority with additional approvers required for higher value orders. Budget holders for all orders, head teachers added over a specific limit, central finance above another, CFO above another. When an approver gives their approval, notifications are sent to the next approver automatically to fully automate the process. There is no limit on the number of approval steps. Sequential approval is the most common setup. Orders only move forward to the next approval step when the previous approver gives their approval. If Bob Smith approved, it would automatically forward on to Claire Woods, and so on. This ensures more senior approvers only see requests that have already been approved by the lower level approver. But you can also have parallel approval, where multiple approvers can approve at the same time before it moves to the next step. Or add flexibility that one of two, one of three, or two of three, for example, need to approve. There is also out-of-office functionality tied into the approval workflow to ensure workflows don't fall over. When a user is set as out of office, it will go to a proxy approver to approve on their behalf. In the audit trail, it will be tracked as approved by the proxy approver on behalf of the normal approver, keeping records accurate. In PLANERGY, you can create custom fields throughout the system, assigning them to departments, supplier profiles, having them assigned to purchase requisitions, and more. These can be used to add contextually relevant approval steps. For example, when a supplier is identified as a related party, or where a supplier is identified as a non-preferred supplier, you may require an additional approval. Similarly, you may want an additional approval when a specific fund is in use, or if the purchase is identified as a long-term contract, it could require an additional approval. This feature adds a lot of flexibility to available workflows within PLANERGY.